What looks like a clean pool deck was actually a problem. Cracked pitted tiles were a trip hazard, and slippery when wet was an understatement. The homeowner wanted a fresh, seamless design and a slip-resistant surface. Advanced concrete coatings, rubber resurfacing delivered. A custom blend of warm sand tones and crisp accents ties the space together perfectly. The coping and pool edge flow together in one continuous, clean-lined surface. Just look at the transformation. A seamless, stunning pool deck designed to elevate your space and built to last for decades. Heat-resistant, it stays cool under bare feet, and maintenance is a breeze because it doesn't absorb water and naturally resists mold and mildew. Rubber surfacing is a game changer, and it's done in days. Advanced Concrete Coatings is a family-owned Southwest Florida business backed by over 17 years of foundation and structural concrete experience. From pool decks and patios to driveways, stairs, and walkways, we turn worn surfaces into finished outdoor spaces designed for how you actually live. Call Advanced Concrete Coatings today and start your transformation.